Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted CapCut projects. So let's begin. First, access CapCut on your PC on your mobile devices. On desktop, you will have your home page, and then right over here, you will have the trash icon. Click on that, and there you go. Every single project you just removed will show up in here, and you can restore them individually or permanently delete them. All right. On your mobile devices, click on CapCut, and then on the lower menu, just click on library and you will have the trash option. Same, click on any individual video, proceed with the restore or permanently delete those files. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.